Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix Editor basics. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the Wix website editor, and I will help you navigate this editor in just less than 10 minutes. So in here, in order to edit this one, you can see this sidebar right here. These tools will actually help you edit your site. So let's take it one by one. So the first element right here, or the first button, is the Add Elements button. So when you click on that, it will open this window that can help you know if you want to add a text, image, button strip, or anything like this one. So it totally depends on you what you want to add. So for example, you want to add a gallery or an image. You can just click on the specific thing right here and then just upload it to you. So for this one, I'll just add in an image. You can click on this upload image right here. And then from in there, it will open the Wix Pro gallery. So in here, you can upload the media that you want. And then from there, you can also just choose this Wix or Google Drive, Facebook, totally depends on you. Then click on upload from computer right here if you want to add media from your computer. So for this one, I will just choose this picture right here of a dog. Then click on open. After that, this will open and upload this specific video for me. So let's just wait for that to finish uploading, and in here you can see the dog. Just click on the specific dog, click on add to page, and once you have added it, it will look like this. You can actually resize it however you want, totally depends on you, and then just move it around the page where you want to put it. So I will put it right here, just like that. Now let's head over and make sure to use this add section. So this add section page can help you add another section that is different from your page. So it can be above your page or below your page. So in here, if you click on the third button, there's a pages and menu button. Here you can see the site menu. For now, I have 3 pages, which is the home page, product page, and actually the contact page. If you want to add a new page, just click on this add page right here. If you want to delete the page, just click on the 3 dots right there. Then you should be able to see the delete button right in here. So here's the delete button. I can actually see this in here because it's actually way below. But if you move this around in the upper corner, you can see the delete button right here. So once you have done that, you can actually just delete or name or everything right here. You can change the slug, URL slug, or you can actually change the SEO for that specific page that we have. Now in here, we have the design. So when you click on the design right here, you should be able to see the site theme, the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and actually the page restrictions. So for this one, you can customize your site design. You can change the theme that you have. So when you click on this right here, you will be directed to this featured themes, like this energetic themes that they have. And now your page will look like this and also be eclectic. And then your page will now look like this. So you can change your design instantly just using those site themes. And also you can just use this color theme if you want. Now this button right here represents the Wix app market, wherein you can integrate some applications that you can use. So for example, you are creating an affiliate marketing website, then you can search in here for affiliate marketing. And then once you have searched for that, you can actually integrate these apps right here on your website, and you can actually just use them from your website from there. So the next thing we have is this thing right here. This is the My Business page, wherein you can see the Wix forms and payments that you have, as well as the Wix portfolio. So you can add right here in order to complete your setup. Now in here, we have this button right here that can actually see your media that you have on your site. So you can upload your media as well on this page rather than the add elements image on the thing right here on the first button. So you can also click on this one, which is a CMS, and you can add this to your site to set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and collect info from site visitors. So in here, you can also see the marketing and SEO, like can help you with email marketing, Google Ads, SEO, social media marketing, and marketing integration. Now, for example, we want to actually edit a text from this page. We can just click on the specific text, then click on edit text, and then this will open the text settings. Once the text settings is open, you can see here the style, the font size, these things right here that you can use. You can also add the text right here, like this effect or this effect right here in order to add some shadows. So you can also just choose this SEO and accessibility based on here. You can change the font size as well as the font. So for me, I'll just choose this font right here. And you can also change the color of the text. You can add animation to the text as well. So just click on this animation right here, then just choose the animation that you want. So you can see the preview of an animation if you want. So you can see what it looks like. Now change it into what it looks like. Now from in here, you can also move things on your site. You can click on the specific thing and then drag it where you want it to be. Now once you're done with everything, just click on publish right here. And then you should be able to publish your website with no worries. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the Wix Editor basic. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.